What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 4/8/2024. I'm doing our 2023 Panini Absolute Mega Box 5-box break number 1. Guys, 5-box break number 2 just listed. All teams available. Check it out. And check out those gift cards. You're getting extra bonus money if you buy the gift cards. Arizona Cardinals, Matt R. T is the Falcons. Joe W. with the Ravens. John T. with the Bills. Joe W. with the Panthers. New breaker, Abdul A. with the Bears. William D. with the Bengals. Terry S. with the Browns. Matt R. has the Cowboys. William D. with the Broncos. Dan B. has the Lions. Gilbert V. with the Packers. T. with the Texans. Riley K. has the Colts. Matt R. has the Jaguars. Tom K. with the Chiefs. Gary T. with the Raiders. Abdul A. with the Chargers. Dan B. with the Rams. Tom S. with the Dolphins. We got T. with the Vikings. Joe W. with the Patriots. Abdul A. with the Saints. Matt R. with the Giants. T. with the Jets. David S. has the Eagles. Tom S. with the Steelers. Joe W. 49ers. Tom S. Seahawks. Terry S. Buccaneers. Matt R. Titans. And Abdul A. with the Commanders. Guys, one auto or memorabilia per box. We're looking for the Kabooms, the black parallels out of the Mega Box exclusives, and any numbered cards will be hits. So here we go. Box number 1. Again, a fresh 5-box Mega listed. We have Illusions Mega up there, and we also have an Immaculate with one box of Immaculate with Prism available. All right. So 3 Prism Blasters and 1 Immaculate Hobby Box. And we have the Hobby Box Draft where you'll definitely get a card. $1.99. Maybe we have a hot box. Yeah, this is probably our relic. So we'll get that last. Let me get 130 points. All right, let's find black parallels. Let's find numbered cards. Let's sneak an auto in here. All right, here we go. Traylon Burks, I should say. All right, what do we got here? Massey Smith. Dontavian Wicks. NFLPA Rookie Premier. Man of many skills brings some versatility. All these turned around. McCaffrey, there's our black. So black McCaffrey going to the 49ers. Joe W. getting that one. Michael Mayer. Mario Douglas, and how about a DeMarvian Overshone rookie black for Dallas and Matt R. That's a Jalen Hurts black on top of it. Eagles. Philly is David S. Roll Tide on that one. Jaden Reed. Turn these around. All right, we got a black Jamar Chase. Black Jamar Chase for the Bengals. William D. getting that one. Brock Purdy, Keenan Allen, Jordan Love, CeeDee Lamb. A chain. How about a Mike Evans? Mike Evans. headed to Tampa. Terry S. getting that one. All right, now let's see what we got over here. Is that a black? Yes, it is. Tyjae Spears. Spears for the Titans. Matt R. All right. We got a Roll Tide coming up. There's a Will Anderson rookie. Amari Cooper. Amari Cooper headed to the Browns. Terry S. There you go. Roll Tide. All right, first box down. 4 to go. 4 to go. What else can we do tonight, guys? Chip away. Like I said, we get them low enough for me to make it worth going live on Friday or Saturday. I will do it. And here's another relic, I believe. All right, here we go. Deontay Johnson. Mr. Johnson. Deuce Vaughn. Darnell Washington and Treylon Burks. Or Burns, as I called them earlier. Titans, Matt R. I think it's 5 black per box. There's Mr. Carbonnet again. How about a Jordan Addison rookie? Not bad. Jordan Addison rookie. Heading to Minnesota. That's T getting that one. Aaron Jones, Packers. Aaron Jones, Packers. Green Bay is Gilbert V. All right, let me see what I got here. Draft Diamonds, Hines Ward. Another Will Anderson. Nolan Smith rookie. Derek Carr for the Saints. Black, New Breaker, I believe. Yep, Abdul A. getting that one. Derek Carr, black. Jackson Smith and Jigba. Sam Laporta, Cam Smith, and a Trevor Lawrence. Trevor Lawrence for the Jags. Another black there. Jacksonville. Matt R. All right, what do we got here? Julius Brents for the Colts, which is Riley K. Julius Brents. All right. And Kayshon Boutte. Patriots. Joe W. There you go. Joe W. getting a little Boutte. All right, next box. Ooh, look at that knife jumping. Packs. our relic again. All right. There's a Bryce Young rookie. Stephon Diggs, Draft Diamonds. Black Andy Dalton. That is Carolina. And that's Joe W. Carolina and Joe W. getting that one. How about Tyreek for the Dolphins? Tyreek for the Dolphins. Miami. That's Tom S. Dalton Kincaid Storm, and then a Gardner Minshew headed to Riley. Minshew headed to Riley. Josh Downs, Jartavius Martin. All right, we got Davis Mills, Stephon Diggs, Desmond Ridder, Lamar, McLaren, Christian Kirk Black, Jacksonville again, Matt R. All right, so we show black here. It's a rookie black. Dontavian Wicks headed to the pack. That's Gilbert V. Another relative new breaker with us. Hyatt. Musgrave. And how about an Anthony Richardson? Relic. Richardson Relic. Headed to Indianapolis and Riley. There you go. Okay. 2 to go here. Another relic. Maybe a relic auto. That'd be nice. All right. Kenneth Walker the third coming out first. Kenneth Walker the third. Seattle. Tom S. getting that one. How about a Will Levis black rookie? Nice. Will Levis black rookie for the Titans, Matt R. There you go. All right, Matthew Stafford black for the Rams. LA Rams, Dan B. Jonathan Taylor for Riley C. Or Riley K, I should say. Okay, and then we see what's over here. We got a blank Deonte Banks for the Giants. Giants is Matt R. Zay Flowers and rookie force Zach Charbonnet. Charbonnet. Tom S. in Seattle getting that one. All right, can we pull an auto in the last box here? Again, another 5-box break of this on the site, same prices. Also, Illusions Mega Box up there. Immaculate Hobby Prism Blaster. All of that fun stuff. It's another relic. Hopefully it's a relic auto. All right, here we go. Derrick Henry. Roll Tide. Stetson Bennett. I see orange something going on here. Garrett Williams. And then for the Patriots to 299, Chad Ryland. Orange rookie. Chad Ryland. Is that punter, right? Or field kicker? Yeah. So field goal kicker. Oh my God. Field goal kicker parallel. Patriots, Joe W. There you go. $2.99 on that one. Yaya Diaby. Yaya Diaby. Going to Terry S. and the Tampa Bay Bucks. Jimmy Garoppolo black for the Raiders. Gary T. Gary T. and the Raiders. Cam Akers. Black for Minnesota. T. The Vikings getting that one. Herbert, Deshaun Watson, and Debo. DeAndre Swift for the Eagles. David S. All right, Tyree Wilson, Jerry Porter Jr. James Cook. Amari Cooper, Roll Tide, Cleveland. Another one for Terry S. Luke Shoemaker and Byron Young. All right, here we go. Brian Breesy going to the Saints. Abdul A getting that one. Oh, there's a Puka. Puka in the house. And how about an Aaron Donald relic? Super Bowl champion fabric. Going to the Rams. That's a nice one. Dan B getting that one. Congrats there, Dan. All right, guys, that'll do it. More football on the site. Check it out right there.